How to recover deleted photos from Google Photo. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. Today I'm going to show you the ways to recover deleted photos from Google Photo. So if you want to recover the deleted photos from Google Photo, you need to follow these steps. So first thing, you want to go to the Google Photos account, and then next thing you want to do is press the collections tab at the bottom of the page, and then you want to go to bin. So usually the photos that you've deleted will be stored in your bin for 30 or 60 days, now depending on whether that you've backed up or not. So you could see at the top there is this information indicating or informing that backup items will be permanently deleted after 60 days, whereas the photos that aren't backed up will be deleted after 30 days. So if you could find the photo, you could restore it from here or recover it from the deleted page. But then let's consider that you've deleted from the bin as well, then it's quite difficult for you to actually go ahead and recover it. But then you could give it a try by contacting the support team. So for that, go to your initials, after which you want to go to help and feedback, and then you could find the first link that appears is that restore recently deleted photos and video, or you could just go ahead and type in for the help, or you could send a feedback and let them know about it, and that should be able to fix it, or you should be able to recover your photos. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.